Hope you're having a blessed day, brothers and sisters. Quick video regarding the Nissan Frontier. I'm removing the Rough Country CamBolt kit and replacing it with the All Dogs CamBolt kit. The reason being is because the amount of adjustability that comes with the Rough Country kit isn't enough for me. It's very basic and it's enough just to get the job done. You'll see why further on when I have both CamBolts next to each other. Pretty simple job, did it by myself, had a jack, 2 jack stands, a long ratchet, a breaker bar, and deep well sockets. So you see here I put the jack right underneath the lower control arm just to make sure when I was tapping out that CamBolt it didn't just fall out on me. In some cases it can get a little bit out of line, and if you don't have a jack it can be a little bit of a pain in the butt to try and realign everything. Alright, now we're getting into the business. The 2 CamBolts next to each other. Right here's the Rough Country CamBolt. You can see there's only one adjuster plate on there. The downside to that is that it's spot welded too. So getting a socket on there to adjust it is kind of a pain in the butt. Not enough adjustability for me. Still had loads of positive camber. But with this All Dogs CamBolt, you can see the difference. 2 adjusting plates, no spot welds, way longer. It's a lot beefier than the Rough Country one, and it just, I don't know why this just wasn't sold in the first place. It was literally $30 more for the set of 4. $30 more, and you could have something that has the best adjustability. So got the CamBolt in there now. Just try to get it to the neutral orientation, just the base preset before I went in and got the truck aligned. I'm just gonna put on the back plate right here. Way easier than I thought. Having the jack underneath really did help with getting everything into place. You can see there why you need the deep well sockets for this, especially for the All Dogs. See how much of that piece of metal, I don't know what to call it, but how much of the threads is sticking out. Tried it with a shorty, no luck. Deep well sockets are the way to go. Just finishing up the passenger side now. This side was pretty quick. Overall, the job, super simple to do by yourself. Here's just a little shot of what it looks like fully installed. Have everything set up to the baseline before I go in and get the alignment. And I can't complain. Can't complain at all. In the top frame, you can see the Rough Country 2.5-inch leveling or lift kit, whichever one you want to call it. Can't complain about the lift whatsoever, but I can complain, and I will complain about Rough Country's CamBolt kit. They say it gets a job done. I don't like the kind of job it gets done. I'm going to show you my tire right here. Got a little bit of outside wear on the inside of the outside of the tire. I don't know how much of that is because the tires maybe just might be a little bit deflated or because of the CamBolt. But these things, do not buy these things. Spend the $30 and buy yourself a quality CamBolt kit. I know it's convenient to buy something because if it's on the same web page and you said suggested items to buy, you know, why not buy it this way? You don't have to go to multiple places. So this is the content you've all been waiting for, the alignment spec sheet. So this was done after I installed the Rough Country camber kit. You can see the before and after and before, nothing changed. I was told that the camber could no longer be adjusted, which was total BS. Total BS. I didn't really catch on to this. I paid the $99, went home because I had to go back to work. But after reviewing the play, I said, hey, this isn't right. I told them that there is adjustability left in this because I installed them myself. So I went back down to the shop and I met up with the technician and said, hey, we'll get your car on the rack, no problem. So 5 minutes later, after I'm there, the lead technician comes out and says, hey, you need to buy these CamBolt kits, which happen to look like the All Dogs CamBolt kits. So I said, hey, no, that's not right. There's actually adjustability. So I went down with the tech who was working on my car, and I had to show him how to do the alignment. Not per se with the machine, but how to loosen this locking nut so this way you can adjust the side that has the adjusting plate to get everything in order. You can see here it wasn't even that great. It wasn't that great of alignment. So I don't know what the heck was going on, if this guy's not trained or what. So I ended up booking an appointment the following day, and I went to Nissan. I said, hey, can you do an aftermarket, can you do an alignment with aftermarket parts? And they said, yeah, sure, bring it down. Went down, and right here, the image of what they were able to do. As you can see, everything's in the green, but it's not perfect. It's not good. And I believe that's because of the amount of adjustment that the rough country kit has. You're limited, and I was still left with positive camber, and I didn't want that. But nonetheless, they were able to do it for $10 cheaper, which was a plus. So moving forward, I went to an actual alignment shop where they only do alignments on vehicles, and this was after I installed the All Dogs camber bolt kit. And you can see the before and after. The actual was 0.8 positive, and now the actual one for both sides was negative 0.1. Now that's awesome. He was able to get everything down within spec, did a great job, and it took 30 minutes. All the other places took over an hour to get everything done, because, you know, I guess that's how those shops work. And alignment shops we just based off the work. But yeah, I recommend going to an alignment shop to get this work done. Don't go to any, what is it, Big O Tires, Firestone, sometimes even your local dealership. I wouldn't recommend. Go to a specific alignment shop. Make sure they can do alignments on your truck or your vehicle first, because you'll run into the same problems I did, and I definitely don't want anyone to do that. And buy the right parts first. Do your research. I did mine late. I picked convenience over anything else, and that convenience led to a waste in $30. I know to some people it's not much, but $30 is $30, and if I could go back before, I would totally order the All Dogs CamBolt kit. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was informative. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get to them, because I know this stuff can be kind of tricky. Because not too many people post about this. You only see them on forums, and then YouTube provides that convenience. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe, and God bless you.